Hola clase, ¿cómo están? Aquí tenemos el próximo vídeo en nuestra clase. Avancemos 2, Unidad 2, Lección 2. Vocabulario de la lección. Here we're going to learn about how you can talk about your daily routine in Spanish. Here we go. Acostarse. And remember, this is a stem-changing verb, O to UE. Afeitarse. Apagar la luz. Arreglarse. Let's continue. Bañarse. And some of these words you may have seen before, right? Cepillarse los dientes. Despertarse, that's a stem-changing verb, E to IE. That's the second E that does that. Dormirse, O to UE. Más vocabulario. Ducharse. Encender la luz. Again, in encender, E, the second E, stem changes to IE. Entrenarse, which we've just seen. Lavarse. Levantarse. Maquillarse. Peinarse. Ponerse la ropa. And here are the translations. Remember, maquillarse? How do you say makeup? El maquillaje. Más vocabulario. La rutina. Secarse. Tener prisa. Tener sueño. And here is what those words mean, or those phrases mean. Parts of the body. El cuerpo, right, is the body. La cara. El codo. El cuello. El dedo. Más partes del cuerpo. El dedo del pie. El diente. La garganta. El hombro. Aún más. La muñeca. El oído. La uña. Here are some vocabulary words to be able to express personal care items. El cepillo de dientes. El champú. La crema de afeitar. El desodorante. El jabón. Aún más. La pasta de dientes, el peine, el secador de pelo, la toalla. Let's talk about sequence of events. Primero, entonces, luego, más tarde, por fin. And there on the right, you have the translations. How often you do things. A veces, frecuentemente, generalmente, normalmente. Do you remember what parts of speech those words are? Frecuentemente, generalmente, and normalmente. Unas preguntas. Why are so many of these verbs reflexive verbs in this lección? And do they look familiar to you? Who is doing them? And to whom are they being done? Let's talk about that when we see each other in class. Don't forget you can stop and rewind this video at any time while you take notes, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Ciao!